LG's billion-dollar gamble paid off in spectacular style last year, as its OLED TVs dominated the premium end of the market. A combination of performance, features and some fairly aggressive pricing resulted in LG beating Samsung's clit when it came to higher-end models. So, what can LG possibly do next? Simple, just make the best even better. The new C8 isn't massively different from its 2017 counterpart, the LG OLED C7, so you still get an extensive set of features that includes almost every high dynamic range format and Dolby Atmos sound. New for this year is the design of the TV itself, not to mention the internal components where LG has integrated its new Alpha 9 processor and added some new picture features to deliver a TV that sets the OLED bar very high indeed. If you're looking for screen size variety, the C8 comes in 3 sizes. A 55-inch, OLED 55 C8 $2,999/$2,499, 65-inch, OLED 65 C8 $4,499/$3,499, reviewed here, and 77-inch, OLED 77 C8 $7,999/$8,999.